India Today has an inside track on fake voter probe. Fake Aadhaar voter IDs made for Bangladeshis. Dubious website used to generate fake birth certificates. 4 Bangladeshis have been arrested so far. Fake ID proofs have been seized. Forensic analysis unearthed linked to Aam Aadmi Party MLA Mohinder Goyal. Signs and seals of Aam Aadmi Party MLA and his aide found in laptop of accused. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee, beg your pardon, has more details on this story. Shreya, a couple of arrests now being made by the Delhi police. Could you tell us more as far as Mohinder Goyal is concerned, because the heat continues to intensify on him? He skipped today's summons as well. He's asked for another time. Share us more details, please.
Harshit, you know, this case actually dates back to the 6th of December. This is actually a murder case that the Delhi police was investigating in the Sangam Vihar police station. During the investigation, the accused in the murder case were found out to be 2 Bangladeshis who were actually hiding and masking their identities. Their further investigation led to the finding of 21 Aadhaar cards, 4 voter ID cards and 8 PAN cards. Allegedly, during investigation, it was found that these documents were forged, and those people who were also behind the forging of these documents were identified to be one Ranjit and Afroz. There was a website that was used to actually create these fake documents. During the forensic analysis of the electronic devices recovered during this case, allegedly it led to 2 of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs as per Delhi Police's investigation. One being Mohinder Goyal, who's already got 2 notices from the Delhi Police. He's failed to appear in both the times, and he's also sought 10 days time from Delhi Police in the matter. It would be interesting to see whether Delhi Police gives him further time to appear, or there will be any stringent action on the part of the agency. So far, Mohinder Goyal, while he spoke with India Today, he suggested that he's ready to comply with the law, and he has no understanding of this entire link to the Bangladeshi case. So this is a defense from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party. The Delhi police suggests that the FSO detail links to Mohinder Goyal because his sign and stamp of his office was actually found from Ranjit and Afroz's seized electronic devices.
Thank you so much, Shreya, for sharing all those details with us.